Hello, Dave here again from Dave's Workbench. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing my new Bosch Professional BT350 telescopic pole. Not unboxed it yet, so I thought may as well do a video of it for anyone who's looking to buy one. Find out what you get in the box, what accessories and whatnot. Couple of little specs on it. Non-extended, it's around 1.4 meters, 140 centimeters. Fully extended with the 3 sections is around 3.5 meters, which I'm guessing is where the 350 comes from in the title. Comes with 2 different brackets, one that actually clamps to the pole, and then this bit attaches to that clamp, and you get a standard 1/4 inch thread to attach a laser or some other sort of accessory, anything that has a 1/4 inch thread really. So right, get on to the unboxing, we'll see what you get. So in the top end, folded over cardboard carton. In one side you get the pole mount. Feels reasonably good quality. Threaded bar there, quick release, different sizes. Just looking on the box here, this bracket extends to a maximum 6.2 centimeters, 2.4 inch, the gap in there. Pop that aside. All plastic construction, apart from the metal bar in there. In the next side, we've got the bracket, which has got the 1/4 inch thread, and that's got like a plastic dial underneath, and it's got a bit of a rubber mat on the back of there, I assume to stop slippage on the bracket. It fits in there somehow. Ah yeah, that's clipped into there if you can see, and then that obviously attaches to the pole, and that must be to release that. Yep, that locks in again. Put that there. Right, slide the pole out. Nothing else inside the box. So looking at the packaging, looks very well protected. Got lots of cardboard noggins, pole itself in plastic wrapper, and on each end is like a cardboard stop. Get them off. Ooh. On a roll. First thing you notice, there's some good weight to that. I think on the specs of this, what I'm reading, it was around 3 kilos, the pole. I'll just get some scissors, remove the plastic. Right, so I've just had a quick tidy up, got rid of the boxes and the plastic, just left with the main bits now. So we've got the pole clamp, the accessory bracket with a 1/4 inch thread on it, and then the pole itself. So first things, pole's got a matte finish, feels nice and sturdy. On one end of the pole it has got a solid plastic base with like a rubber pad on the bottom so it doesn't slip. On the other end it's got the same thing, a plastic disc with like a rubber pad on there as well. And to remove the top bit, it's currently locked into place. Grab one part and then twist and it will pop off because it's actually on a spring. Just slide that out a little bit, you can see that mechanism. The plastic head itself, which pivots, is on like a ball bearing, and that can tilt to match the surface of whatever you're extending it to. It's got a really strong spring, so it gets a good firm connection when you prop it ceiling to floor. So to unlock the pole, you twist it anti-clockwise, pull it to your desired length, twist it, and then it's locked into place. And that's the same for each section. Just move it along. Again with this, twist, pull out to your desired length, twist, and then that's locked in there again. So what I might do is, just to show you how the bracket connects and onto the pole, I'll just set it up here next to me and then I'll get my laser out and we'll put it on and we'll see how everything connects. So 2 minutes. So to start with, first get the Bosch pole clamp, use a quick button to release, and then we can attach it onto the pole like that and then tighten that up. I'll actually do it this way, then you can see how the neck bracket attaches. Get your bracket with a 1/4 inch nut on there, 1/4 inch bolt. I think it can slide in from the top. Yeah, just like that. I'll just get my laser and we'll attach it to there and we can see what it's like. So this is my laser, this is the Bosch Professional GCL2-50G. On the bottom there is a 1/4 inch thread. I do have another unboxing video of this where I talk through this in a bit more detail and with the L box. If you want to head over and have a look at that, please do. To fit the laser onto the pole, you just line up this thread with that one. Probably easy to take the pole off. That with there. Line that up. And you can screw that on there. Like that. And then that's solid on there. That can rotate if you want it to. Just not too much or it might loosen it off. And then to attach it to the pole, just twitch it on the side. You can actually put, to slide the bracket into the mount here, it's got 2 little lugs, what you can see there. And if you line them up to the grooves, it should just slot in there nicely and click in. Then that's how the laser fits on there, and you can twist that as to where you need it. And then if you want to adjust the height, loosen off the big bolt there, and you can again put that to whatever height you want. If I had batteries in, it'd be on, but currently not got any in. But yeah, so far just on this quick look, the pole feels really good quality. It is quite expensive. I think it's just over £100. I've had some cheaper poles in the past, and this one definitely feels like there's a bit more material there for your money. And if you want, check out my other videos. But again, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.